Alright. Have fun.
Figure we'll come out here and shoot them off here for a while.
Watch Daddy stupid.
Yeah. The city man beside him, he's stupid for letting him drive. Oh, that was sweet. Taking on the side. Really good for it. Oh yeah.
Going behind the field.
I'm holding you responsible. If he gets hurt, you're responsible.
Oh
Okay.
shit. Okay.
I want my kid in one piece right there.
Yeah.
Until they get messing around with the truck.
Oh jeez.
That's that Chuck's truck. I've been finding the truck. Ooh. Looks like all this foul pavement here.
Boys. Stay next to Richard. Do not move away from my direction. Until the dopey Uncle Bad is out of the truck.
Yeah.
We'll come back with fireworks for church, okay?
Alright. You're swell. And beer. Don't forget the beer.
That's the most important part, right?
That's right. That's critical there.
I slap him dead. I don't know if these are losers with a capital L or lowercase.
I don't know. We'll say it's lowercase until he really screws up. Then it'll be capital. Yeah, there you go. Capital right here. Capital L. No.
It's so dry, he can flip it over easy to try.
Oh yeah, easy.
That's why he won't really spin it.
Hey,
Damn, little bastard didn't give it a chance to hold on. I was like fingertipping it. Okay.
Hey. Hey.
Hey.
It's gone all over.
Oh man. That's because they don't give a shit.
no, they don't.
Hey, damn right now.
Yeah. Hey, what you doing with my blazer?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing always turns into something.
Yeah. He's driving it. I'm like, okay. He says he's got money, so.
Hey, Justin.
Yeah. Uh-oh, choo-choo.
four-wheeler? I think so. What do you think? He's moving pretty slow today. I ain't moving hardly that fast.
A little cloudy here. Oh shit, we're in four-wheel drive. Oh, I hear you. Try and do a wheelie?
Put that camera down so I can see out my mirror.
Alright.
Thing out the back of my truck.
Oh, that is?
It's that hitch.
Oh, man.
Here, jump out and go get that thing. I'm gonna roll down the back.
He looks small in this thing.
Only way I'm gonna get some air is get some speed, and if I get speed, I don't want to tear anything up.
Oh man, yeah, it'll be a hard landing.
What can I do next?
Plow over some trees. Whoa! Oh, the mean hill. Make it be a bug splatter.
There goes my helmet.
Oh shit. Jeez. He's got some nerve.